Alright guys, so here we be simplifying radical expressions when we have a fraction. So before doing anything, you will have to get rid of this. So what you want to do is put square root and keep these inside. So it comes as 4a squared and b to the 6. Now there's imaginary 2 here. You'll have to break these down into a squared and b2 squared and a 4. So this will come out as 2 squared times a squared times b squared times b squared times b squared. Now, for all numbers that have a square, you take out, which is luckily every single number and variable here. So your final answer would be 2a and b to the 3rd.